Hello, this is a 3 to 4 minute presentation on cloning. So let's begin. Cloning is the process by which a genetically identical copy of an original organism is produced. It can occur naturally, of course, as in bacteria, and creating identical twins. Artificial cloning is done by scientists, such as gene cloning, reproductive cloning, and therapeutic cloning. We'll talk about those three later. Look at this. Remember Matrix? He was a clone, right? Okay. Pros and cons of cloning. Advantages: enhances genetic research, eases suffering, and I guess you can live longer. Eliminates the need for immune suppressant drugs, because if you can use cloning to make body parts, you don't need to get a transplant or transfusion. It saves endangered species from becoming extinct. Cons: disadvantage of cloning. What can go wrong? Clones will have the same disease as the original cell. Clones could be affected by virus and bacteria, meaning if the original cell or even one of the clone cell gets attacked by a virus or bacteria, it can be wiped out, and so can all of the others. Cloning will definitely reduce diversity. Types of cloning. You have reproductive cloning, DNA cloning, same thing as gene cloning, and of course therapeutic cloning. This is reproductive cloning, how Dolly was made. Shows you the steps to how Dolly was made. And this is a long process, so to explain it is going to take me a lot longer than 3 minutes. DNA cloning or gene cloning, this is how bacterial cells can be used to make insulin, human insulin for people who are diabetic. And this, by the way, is the whole process that's going on right here is genetic engineering. And then at the very end of it, then the newly recombinant DNA is inserted into a bacterium or a bacterial cell, and then it will clone itself. And then, of course, therapeutic cloning. This is how new organs can be produced. Should you need a kidney or a liver or an ear, this is how it's done. And of course, this is a quick overview of cloning. I think it's called Cloning 101. It gives you the basic gist of cloning and how it works. It's a 6-minute video, and because it's a 6-minute video, we don't have time for it because this is a 3 to 4 minute video. Thank you so much for watching.